Hi fams, today we're gonna learn how to use POWERCLIP to spice up your designs in Corel. Ensure you hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification so you don't miss any of our content. So maybe you have been wondering what is POWERCLIP and what it is used for. POWERCLIP is just like other tools in Corel that you can use to force an object, text, whether bitmap or vector, into another object, which may be a text or shape. So it's easy and very simple to use, and it can add a lot to your graphics work. If you are using Corel X7 and higher version, you can simply right click on the object or text you want to POWERCLIP, and then you will see the option right here. But for X5 and X3, you will need to navigate to the menu bar and select effect. Then moving down, you will see the POWERCLIP option right here. So for me, I'm using X5, all the same. So here are some designs where POWERCLIP was used. So to use POWERCLIP, the first thing you have to do is to get your object and the container ready. The object is what you want to POWERCLIP, and the container is just like the object where the object enters. So assuming we want to create something like this, the smile is the container while the baby inside is the object. So first we type the word smile, make some adjustments both in the size or font type. Once you have set it right, next thing is to go to import, or wherever the picture is or the object, just import the object or the picture. We'll bring it from wherever it is. So we copy the baby picture right here and bring it into the worksheet. You may also need to do some adjustments the picture or size it if it is too big, but you don't need to crop anything right here because the POWERCLIP tool will handle that. So next, I will have to go to effect right here because I'm using X5, then to POWERCLIP, and then click place inside container. But if you are using X7 and higher version, you don't need to go through this process. You just have to right click on the object and you'll see the option on the drop down. So once you select place inside container, your cursor will change into this form, and then you will move straight to the text or object and click once. Oh, but we can't find the picture again. So once you click inside the object or text, you may not see the picture again. That means you have POWERCLIPed it. So you just have to do one more thing. You have to right click on the object once again and click edit content. So once you do that, you will see the object inside the text wherever it is. So for higher versions, you can see the shortcut option as a faint tag around the object, so you can just click it all the same. So you just have to click on edit content so that you can see the object or text that you have POWERCLIPed, and then you can go ahead and adjust it. Now you can locate your object and position it the way you want it to be. You can also do some cropping here. Once you are done, right click on the object and click finish editing. In Corel X7 and higher, you can simply finish editing by clicking on a faint tag around the bottom of the object. It's still the same. So you can continue editing the content, click edit content, and then adjust the object till you get what you want. You can also use the extract option if you want to remove the object from the container, or maybe you want to change the picture or adjust the container, or you want to delete it entirely. So look at what we got. That's amazing, right? So here is another one. Here we want to POWERCLIP this guy right inside the boxes. You might have seen something like that before. So it's still the same process. What you just need to do is to group the objects, that's the boxes. Okay, the boxes is the container, right? You just group the boxes, which is the container, before doing anything. So you can try it with different shapes and text. It's still the same process. So it's simple, it's easy. You just need to do it over and over again, and then you're good to go. More than 70% of classic designs you see today made use of POWERCLIP, and it's a really nice tool for your graphic design. Alright, thanks so much for watching the video. Hope you liked it. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel so you can flow with moving ideas. See you next time.